Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. These are pharmacy refrigerators. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, it's about like a 23.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 27 inches. Overall height, it is about like a 53.5 inches tall. So as we can see the units, we're having the digital display at the centers. They give you the temperatures and the door notice. And also they do have a sound and the controller side for the temperatures and also defrosting. And also they do have a light controls here. They come in with the lockers. So when you open the door, this is a double layer glass door and come with the shop the close functions on it. Look at the inner side of the units. We can see they do having the circling area on top of it, the LED strips right here. And the dimensions for the shelvings, it is about like 18.5 inches deep and the 19.5 inches wide. So when we look in the bottoms, they do have a compressor system mounting at the behind. So the bottom layers is only about like a 12 and 3/4 inches deep. And the overall clearance heights, they are about like a 44.5 inches tall. After we close the door, we can see they have a diagram information on the side. They come with the ETL sanitation stickers, photo numbers. And look in the back of the units, they do having the standard 110 plugs from the manufacturers. That's what be the all demonstration information about these products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.